In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status on Discord on PC. If you want a quick way to let friends, classmates, or teammates know what you're up to, whether you're working, gaming, or stepping away for a bit, a custom status is the perfect tool. It shows up next to your name across your servers, so people can see it at a glance without you having to send a message. This works the same on the Discord desktop app and in a browser on your computer. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there, your avatar and username. Go ahead and click your profile. That click opens a small window with your account details and some quick options. This is the panel you'll use to set your status. Inside that small window, look for the plus icon that lets you add a status. Click the plus icon to begin. You'll see a field where you can type a short message. Keep it simple and clear, something like working, in a meeting, or taking a break. Short statuses are easier to read and won't get cut off. Right here, you can also add an emoji to represent your status. Pick something that matches your message, like a laptop for working, a coffee cup for a quick break, or a game controller for gaming. Emojis make your status more noticeable and fun without taking up extra space. As soon as you add your message and emoji, your status is set. You'll see it appear next to your name, and others in your servers will see it too. It's a subtle, respectful way to communicate your availability and set expectations, whether you're focusing, away from your keyboard, or just sharing a bit of personality. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. The option to add a status will still be in that same small profile window, and the plus icon or a similar prompt will be right there. And there you go. That's all it takes. Click your profile at the bottom left, click the plus icon in the small window, add your message and emoji, and you're done. A quick tip as you use statuses regularly: keep your wording friendly, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information, and choose an emoji that clearly supports your message so others instantly understand it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, you're now ready to update your Discord presence anytime with just a couple of clicks. Happy chatting, and I'll see you in the next one.